I guess I've liked to approach similarly, but ideally I'm the first customer, or at least problems that I'm interested in.
Mm.
And then I like making sure there's validation with other people before I want to build up an audience of something I'm not sure of. But I like the idea of getting validation early, whether it's on a marketplace, whether it's through pre-selling, or whether it's through landing pages, and then building that product out for those people and the audience at the same time. Different approaches to get to probably similar destinations. I think the other thing that you highlighted, which I got to call out, and this is something I've noticed especially with the book, how do you get your customers more engaged with the business, right? There's normally like a separation I think has happened. And it's the same thing with, if you think of celebrities. Remember celebrities where we literally could see them on TV and People magazine? And now every celebrity has a podcast, right? And then they have like social media where you can DM them and leave a comment, and maybe they'll reply back, and you post that reply back as a comment for yourself or social media. And so it's a great reminder for me, and I've done it with AppSumo, I've done it with $1 Million Weekend, done it with, things I've done over the past decade. It's like, have people a part of the process. And I love that you're saying, just be honest. Like, we tried for the book, I did a referral program. Like, hey, I had a launch team for the book, and I was like, all right, bring one person. So there's a 1,300 person launch team. And I said, if you could bring one person, I'm going to do a dedicated office hours. I'll answer anything you have in business or whatever you want to talk about, just for you and your friend. 6 people did it. Right? So it was awesome though. I was like, great. That's something people didn't want. And and then I share that back. Like, hey, seems like y'all didn't want it. Tell me more. Yeah, I guess it's like, I don't have any really friends. Like, I'm kind of in an area by myself. So I didn't have someone I could even think of referring. That's why I'm a part of a group. Oh, okay. Or every week I share updates of what's been going on from our marketing. And I shared, here's all the shows I'm coming on this week. Obviously, Greg Eisenberg, I'm coming to hang out with him. And then I shared as well, you guys, I don't know if you know this, but here's all the shows I'm rejected from. Here's all the Diary of a CEO, How I Built This rejected me. They didn't respond. This woman, Kathy Hellers, rejected me 3 times, which I'm like, okay, twice I get, 3 times now you're just being mean. But they love it. They love it. Even, my whole Facebook story, I got fired. I'm still talking about that 20 years ago, because the takeaway for anyone out there, whether you're a content creator or a business creator in all these aspects, just include the community and the audience in the process.
Yes.
And totally. I know with AppSumo, I still text the first customers. Not every day, because I think that's creepy. But, as part of the thing, and even with this book, like the customers, I'm talking to them. Hey, here's what I'm writing on. What'd you guys think about it? And working with them in the process.
Yeah, I think they want to hear your wins, and equally they want to hear about your losses.